Oh. Hello. It's me. Namkang, do you know what happens to Numberblock HQ?
It's abandoned now?
Actually, no. Strangers take over it after the one takes electric cables. Hold on. You may continue to walk.
Khan. Our creations raid on a week ago?
Yes. In the back of this building, many people attack the creation. When the anti-X defeats, it disappeared. 4 will call you soon.
Let him and I explain. Foremost, you don't go to Numberblocks HQ, because there are strangers. When you go to this building, I'll give you a task. Find my friend Numberblock 40's pet rectangle. When you see those monsters, flash them except the smiler. Make sure you hide from furniture. Lastly, when there are strong darkness, you will stay away.
I do not find a keycard. What do I do? Oh. There is a warehouse. What is Numberblocks HQ's warehouse code?
The code is 2541. There is a keycard on a shelf. You'll escape from creation soon.
He's awake.
We found you at the Alphablock highway. We was getting rid of the stranger.
How long I would have been there?
I say 1/2 past an hour. Your sister and cousin will back if they miss you.